So hey friends, I'm just hanging out here in my van. It's storming big time outside. I've been trying to edit together a video from Lolapalooza 2022 and I've just not had very much luck. Let me tell you why. I didn't get much good footage. In fact, I really failed miserably, unfortunately. Things just seemed to kept going wrong for me technologically all weekend long. But I put together a little bit of the highlights, and Vicky let me use some of the pictures she took of the people in the photograph frame. So I'm going to put that together, probably put some music to it, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I also wanted to take this opportunity to thank everybody who worked so hard to make this such a success. If I start naming names, I'm going to leave people out. But I just want to thank you guys all. Thank you, Dan, Virgil, Vicky, Debra, Tammy, Charlie, Carolyn, all of you guys, Billy and Rhonda, everybody, just, y'all are the amazing friends. And I just want to tell you thank you. And I enjoyed meeting so many new people this year. It was just a really good time. And of course, I have to extend a huge thank you to Blind Views. He did the most amazing artwork for our t-shirts this year. They were a huge hit. Everybody loved them. Thank you, my friend. You're the best. All right, so on with this little video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. And for everybody that was at the Palooza, thanks so much for coming. It was great. Y'all stay lost, my friends. So, yep, I went back to editing, and yes, I forgot lots of people. I forgot to thank Deb and Dennis for doing the cooking challenge for us, and for everybody for participating in that. And Leanna and Bill and Sandy and everybody that just pitched in and helped with so much. Like I said, I hate leaving people out, but I don't think there's any way that I can express my thanks to all the people that helped so much. It was just so cool. I love you guys. Alright, on with the video. See, I just can't do this. I forgot to thank Barb, the old farmer's wife. She's always there to help us out in any way she can. And Rex for doing the drawing. Yeah, you guys rock.
Okay, I have the loudest voice. No, you don't. Yes, no, Rex is right there with me. So I'm going to do the yelling, and I'm used to that. But I have fairly new teeth, so they could shoot out, so nobody get in the line of fire. Okay, Lola said to say, welcome to Lolapalooza, and everybody wave at Lola.
Thanks, guys.
Here we go. Thank you.
You know why it's empty out here? Because they're all in there eating.
I'm doing a 50-50 ticket deal, so you can buy tickets $1 a piece. If you buy 5, you get 6 tickets, and we'll do a drawing at the end of. When are we going to do that drawing?
Saturday after dinner.
Saturday at the dinner. Okay.
I want to get something that has some outside lights other than my blue lights. There's some of those blue lights, and I hate that. I'd like to have a porch light, you know? But my rig is... The tools bag. Yeah, I have a first aid.
The other thing is when you drop that pin, you have an option to share. So you hit share, and it'll create a link for you, and then you can send that out to a text. So if I'm here somewhere and I don't feel the same, you can come visit me, I can get that link and send it to them in a text message, and then you come join me. We would.
Okay. Thank you all for coming. Thank all of you that participated. There will be a number and a letter on each one. After you've tasted, and please remember this is tasting. If there's leftovers at the end, we don't care. Be sure everybody gets a chance to taste. At the end, you take the number and letter
painting?
Purely by accident.
A tie-dye by accident? That's
Yeah.
perfect.
Because I can't do this.
Yeah, that'll be good.
No, I can't do that.
No.
I can't do this.
I wonder how long that takes for her to get one like
I think
that.
there's a special tool
This.
you use that
Yeah.
dots like this.
Yeah, she has some special stuff over there.
Yeah.
I bet you're right. Wow.
There's something.
You look gorgeous. I didn't know you were doing that. I will.
Let's do the Dan dance.
Do the Dan dance.
That's the Dan dance.
This is teamwork right here. Yep. I'm just holding the camera. Taking Vicky for her morning walk. And there was somebody camped across from us last night, but she packed up and left, so guess we'll see how full this place gets.
Where are we going?
Circles.